In this video, you will find a new Olympic records. What is the history of Olympic Games? What is Javelin throws? And the biography of Arshad Nadeem. Before this, do subscribe so that you never miss our future videos. Let's get started. The Olympics Games are an international multi-sport events held every 4 years where thousands of athletes from around the world participate to compete in different sports. The Olympics are considered the largest and most prestigious sporting event globally, promoting unity, friendship, and fair play among nations. The ancient Olympic Games originated in Greece in 776 BC and were held until 393 AD. The modern Olympic Games were revived in 1896 by Pierre de Coubertin. The Olympics features a wide range of summer and winter sports including track and field, swimming, gymnastics, basketball, soccer, ice hockey, figure skating, and many more. Athletes from over 200 countries participate in the Olympics, making it a truly global event. Athletes compete for gold, silver, and bronze medals, with the gold medal being the highest honor. The Olympics are governed by the Olympic Charter, which sets out the rules, values, and principles of the Games. The Olympics have several iconic symbols, including the Olympic rings, flag, motto, and flame. There are two main types of Olympic Games: Summer Olympics held every 4 years, and Winter Olympics held every 4 years, 2 years after the Summer Olympics. The Olympics have become a powerful symbol of global unity and athletic achievements, inspiring millions of people around the world. A javelin thrower is an athlete who competes in the javelin throw event, which is a track and field sport. Javelin throwers use a spear-like object called a javelin, typically made of metal, fiberglass, or carbon fiber, with a sharp point at one end and a grip at the other. To throw the javelin, athletes use a combination of strength, speed, and technique involving javelin throwers aim to throw the javelin as far as possible, with the distance measured from the throwing arc to where the javelin lands. The athlete with the longest throw wins. Now we will talk about Arshad Nadeem biography. Arshad Nadeem won the gold medal at 2024 Summer Olympics in Paris with a throw of 92.97 meters, setting a new Olympic record. He has also won a silver medal at the 2023 World Athletics Championship in Budapest with a throw of 87.82 meters, becoming the first Pakistani to win a medal at the World Athletics. Arshad Nadeem was born on January 2, 1997 in Mianchanu, Punjab, Pakistan. He is a Pakistani javelin thrower who has made the history by becoming the first Pakistani to win an individual Olympics gold medal. Please subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.